our armed forces that brought laurels to the nation during Kargil war against Pakistan in 1999. 26 July is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the lives of the brave soldiers who laid their lives on the front lines to secure a victory against the aggressive enemies. Every year, this is celebrated to honor the sacrifice of all those lives that were lost or harmed. There is a ceremony at India Gate, New Delhi, and is headed by the Prime Minister of the country. The intention behind such programs are not just to commemorate the sacrifice, but also to inspire young generations from the past examples of national service and sacrifice. As a part of Kargil Vijay Divas, we have something for you by Class 7E.
Good morning everyone, respected Principal Ma'am, Mitchell, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Fatima Maria from 70. Today is Kargil Day. Kargil Vijay Divas is named after the historical success of Operation Vijay. On this day, 26 July 1999, India successfully recovered high order postage which had been lost to Pakistan and reduced during the Kargil invasion. It feels started to be that while Kargil war was fought for 60 days and ended in 26 July. Even though there was high losses of lives on the both sides, Pakistan did suffer greater casualties along with the international diplomatic humiliation. Thank you.
My name is Krishna Dawar from 7th Today I'm going to tell a few words about Kargil Day. Kargil Vijay Divas is the day for all Indians to feel proud of their soldiers. The Kargil war lasted from May to July 26, 1999. Around 2 lakh Indian soldiers have participated in the war. The war took the lives of around 550 Indian soldiers. Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in the honor of the Kargil war's heroes. This day is celebrated in the Kargil sector and the national capital of India, New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays the homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The Beti from class 7th. The 1999 conflict between India and Pakistan near the town of Kargil in contested Kashmir was the first military clash between two nuclear-armed powers since the 1969 Sino-Soviet War. Kargil was a landmark event not because of its duration or casualties but because it contained a very real risk of nuclear escalation. Until the Kargil conflict 1999, along with academic and policy debates over nuclear deterrence and proliferation have occurred largely on theoretical level. This conflict offers scholars and policymakers a rare account of how nuclear-armed states interact during military crisis. Thank you.
I am Kabisa Kalima from class 7th. Today I am going to say about years of Kargil. May 4, 1999, Pakistan intrusion reported in Kargil. May 5 to 15, Army patrol sent up 5 soldiers captured, tortured to death. May 26, IAF launches airstrikes. May 27, IAF MiG-27 goes down, pilot ejects. Taken prisoners of war by Pakistan. June 10, mutilated bodies of 6 soldiers returned. India engaged. June 12, deadlock at first meeting between foreign ministers Jashwant Singh and Sarjit Aziz. June 15, US urges Pakistan PM to withdraw troops from Kargil. June 29, Army captures 2 important posts near Tiger Hill. July 11, Pakistan begins pullout. July 26, India wins war. Pakistani troops completely evicted. Thank you. Happy Kargil Vijay Divas Day.
Thank you guys. Dance is the most divine form of art. It's actually a way to express an individual's feeling. We now present to you Kargil Vijay Divas dance.
ऐ सरजमीन हिंदुस्तान, तेरे उन जानिसारों, जांबाजों, शहीदों और मुहाफिजों को सलाम है, सलाम है, सलाम है, जिन्होंने अपनी बहादुरी की कलम से फतह की एक और बेमिसाल तारीख लिख दी। गवाह है आज भी कारगिल की वो बुलंद चोटियां, जिनको तुमने अपने लहू से सींचकर तिरंगे की आन बान और शान को रोशन कर दिया।
पिघला दे जंजीरें, बना उनकी शमशीरें, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, कर हर मैदान फतेह। घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
टूटी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। हर हर मैदान फतेह, हर हर मैदान फतेह, हर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
That was so energetic. Let's give a round of applause to all the performers. Now let's conclude this by paying respect to all the brave soldiers who continue to defend the nation's wall without sleep and rest. It's a gesture of appreciation to them, a promise to them that even if they're out of our sight, they remain in our mind, heart and prayers. Thank you.